we are making a perfect Brooklyn. Brooklyn is a cocktail that's a bit like a Manhattan. You've got some of the same ingredients, but we're going to make this a perfect Brooklyn. So instead of using just sweet vermouth, we're going to be using sweet vermouth and dry vermouth, and taking out the bitter elements and replacing them with more aromatic elements like pecan and maraschino. So we're going to start off with our rye whiskey. It's going to be 45 mils of rye. And then we're going to use our half and half, which is Don and Dry, 15 mils of that. And Contratto Rosso. Contratto Rosso is a really nice thick Italian sweet vermouth, and it's going to really give it some body to the cocktail. Then we're going to use Pecan Bière, going to give that bitter orangeness that would have got through using orange bitters. And then we're going to round out with a little bit of sweetness from the maraschino. 15 mils of that too. Beautiful. And then add your ice, which I've prepared here. This is a stirred cocktail, and stirring is going to give you the dilution that we want, but also you're not going to get the frothy aeratedness you're going to get with a shaken cocktail. So give it a stir, always having your finger on the tin. Once it gets down to you can start to see it ice over, then you know you're nearly there. Beautiful. Over some ice, you can serve this into a martini glass or a coupe, but I like it in an old-fashioned glass. And then to round it off, we're just going to add one little cherry for an extra little garnish. And there you have it, perfect Brooklyn. Spicy rye, bittersweet.